In this video, I'm going to use the total surface area of a cone to form and solve an equation in terms of some variable, like x. Now, we're told the total surface area of this cone is 32 pi. And what faces do we have on the cone? Well, we've got this circle at the bottom and we've got this curved face here. And the total area of those faces will be the total surface area. Now, we're told that the curved surface area of the cone is pi RL, where R is the radius and L is the slant height, which is this. So this is your L here, and the radius would be from here to here, which will be half of 2x plus 18. So the radius is x plus 9, and that is your radius R there. So the total surface area will be pi RL, which is the curved bit. So pi times the radius, which is x plus 9, times by L, which is 4. So that's the curved surface area. And then you've also got to add on the area of the circle at the bottom. Now, the area of a circle is pi times the radius squared, pi r squared. So pi times the radius of x plus 9 squared. And that total surface area is 32 pi, like that. Now, we need to solve this equation. I can instantly see that everything is a common factor of pi, so I can divide everything by pi. And that leaves a slightly simpler equation of, well, we've got the x plus 9 times the 4. And if I times the x and the 9 by 4, I'm going to get 4x plus 36. And then I've got the x plus 9 squared. The quick way to square a bracket like this is to do the first thing squared, which is x squared. Then I multiply the two terms together and double it. So x times 9 is 9x. Doubled is 18x. And then you square the second term. So you square the 9, which is 81, and that is equal to 32. So now let's just tidy up. We've got x squared. I've got 4x plus 18x, which is 22x. And I've got 36 plus 81, which is 117. Now, to solve a quadratic equation, I need 0 on one side. So I'm going to subtract 32 from both sides. If I do that, I get plus 85. Now, to factorize this, we need two numbers which add to give the number in front of the x, so the 22, and times to give the constant term, the number at the end, the 85. Now, I think 17 and 5 works. 17 plus 5 is 22. 17 times 5 is 85. So the way you factorize this is as x plus 17 times x plus 5. Now, if you've got a product of two things is 0, at least one of those things is 0. So either x is minus 17 or x is minus 5, like that. Now, slightly worryingly, these are negative values, but that doesn't necessarily mean we have a negative length. So we can see the radius here is x plus 9. Now, if x was minus 17, minus 17 plus 9 is a negative value. But if you had the minus 5 plus 9, that gives you a radius of 4, which is okay. So therefore, actually, the minus 5 is the correct solution. So x is minus 5, and that is the final answer.